Hello my dear students, here is the video to recall what we have learned for the last class. Yes, now we are going to our topic, the first one, integers, the chapter 1, integers. So what are called integers? Integers is a bigger collection of numbers which contain whole numbers and negative numbers. Yes, you are seeing an example, isn't it? 5 minus 5 minus 4 minus 2. It have positive integers as well as the negative integers and also 0. So integers means is a bigger collection of numbers which contain whole numbers and negative numbers. So number line. Number line you have already studied in your last class. It have positive numbers as well as negative numbers. So positive numbers is on the right side and the negative numbers is on the left side. You know about the addition and subtraction of positive numbers and the negative numbers. So addition and subtraction rules. When the signs are the same, we have to add and keep the sign. So see the first example, 2 plus 4. So it both the numbers having the same sign. So you have to add it equal to 6. So minus 2 minus 4. It also having the same number. So same signs means you have to add the number and keep the sign. When the signs are different, you have to subtract and use the sign of the larger number. So see the another example, minus 2 plus 4 equal to 2 and 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. So this is the thing we have to understand and you have to recall it, addition and subtraction rules. So when the signs are same, you have to add and keep the sign. When the signs are different means you have to subtract and use the sign of the larger number. So check this out. So we already know about addition and subtraction, isn't it? So now we are going to check out. So when two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. Is that correct? Yes. When two positive, see the example, 67 plus 13, these two numbers are the positive integers. When we adding, we get 80. It is also a positive integer. It is also an integer. So the first point is correct. So the next one, when two negative integers are added, we get a positive integer. Is that correct? Let me check. For example, two negative integers minus 13 minus 67 equal to minus 80. So we get the answer minus 8, isn't it? So the correct statement is, when two negative integers are added, we get a negative integers only, because we already know about the addition rule. When we adding, we have to add the numbers and you have the same sign means we have to add it, and also it gives the, we have to put the sign, same sign. So the next one, when the positive integers and negative integer are added, we always get a negative integer. Is that correct? No. For example, minus 123 plus 45 equal to minus 75. So what is given? When a positive integer and negative integers are added, we always get negative integer? No. So the correct statement is, we get the answer only in the negative integer, isn't it? So when one positive integer and one negative integers are added, we take the difference and place the sign of the bigger integer. Okay. Then the additive inverse. When an integer is added to its opposite, we get the result as 0. So additive inverse is nothing but the opposite number is added to the number, we get the result answer is 0. For example, minus 8 is being added by 8. So the opposite of minus 8 is plus 8. So it is added, we get the additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. So minus 8 is 8. When we add these two numbers, we get only 0. For subtraction, we add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. Is that correct? Yes. When you add, subtracting those two integers, additive inverse of, so 23 minus 12. So we get the being subtracted number is 12 from 23. So 12, additive inverse of 12 is minus 12. So 23 minus 12 equal to 11. Okay. So the next one is verifying. So we have to verify LHS equal to RHS. So LHS is left hand side and RHS is equal to right hand side. So first we have to prove the LHS. So LHS is minus 5 plus 3. So equal to minus 2. And the RHS is 5 plus 3. So it is 8. In comparing LHS and RHS, the LHS and RHS are not equal. So we have to find it. When the signs are different means the answer is coming in a different way. So we have to keep on checking that the signs should be different means the answer also will be different. Okay. So if you have any doubt on this, you have to call me or message me for your clear answer. Thank you.